Welcome back to our channel Storm Rider. The Northrop Grumman B-21 Raider represents a fundamental shift in how modern airpower is designed, built, and employed, and understanding it doesn't require being an aerospace engineer. At its core, the B-21 is a long-range strategic bomber designed to operate in the most heavily defended airspace on Earth, where older aircraft would struggle or fail. It is intended to replace and complement aging platforms like the B-1 and B-2 while remaining relevant well into the middle of the 21st century. Unlike previous bombers that were designed around the threats of their own eras, the B-21 was built from the beginning to adapt, evolve, and stay ahead of rapidly changing technology and global defense systems. Visually, the B-21 Raider follows a flying wing layout similar to the B-2 Spirit, but the similarities are mostly skin-deep. Every line, curve, and surface has been refined to reduce detectability across multiple sensing methods. Radar stealth remains a priority, but modern air defense systems also rely on infrared detection, electronic emissions, and data sharing between sensors. The B-21's smooth, blended shape helps scatter radar waves rather than reflect them back to the source, while advanced coatings absorb remaining signals. Engine inlets are buried and carefully shaped to hide the rotating fan blades, which are one of the strongest radar reflectors on any jet aircraft. Exhaust systems are designed to cool and diffuse heat, making it far harder for infrared-guided systems to detect the bomber from below or behind. Stealth alone, however, does not make an aircraft survivable in modern warfare. The B-21 is designed to be smart as well as quiet. Its onboard sensors constantly collect information from the environment, from enemy radar emissions to friendly satellite data, and fuse that information into a clear picture for the crew. Instead of pilots having to interpret dozens of separate displays, the aircraft's systems present threats, routes, and targets in a simplified and intuitive way. This reduces workload during long missions that can last many hours, sometimes spanning entire continents. The cockpit itself is highly digital, replacing older mechanical controls with software-driven interfaces that can be updated as technology advances. One of the most important ideas behind the B-21 is flexibility. Previous bombers were often expensive and difficult to modify, meaning upgrades could take years and cost enormous sums. The Raider was designed using an open systems architecture, which in simple terms means its hardware and software are modular. New sensors, communication tools, or weapons can be integrated without redesigning the entire aircraft. This allows the Air Force to respond quickly to emerging threats, whether that means new radar systems, cyber warfare challenges, or changes in how conflicts are fought. In an era where technology evolves faster than airframes, this adaptability is one of the bomber's greatest strengths. In terms of weapons, the B-21 is designed to handle both nuclear and conventional missions, reinforcing its role as a strategic deterrent while also being useful in regional conflicts. All weapons are carried internally to preserve stealth, ranging from precision-guided conventional bombs to long-range cruise missiles and nuclear payloads. This internal carriage allows the aircraft to penetrate defended airspace without sacrificing its low observable characteristics. The bomber's ability to switch between mission types without major reconfiguration gives military planners a tool that can be used across a wide spectrum of scenarios, from deterrence patrols to precision strikes against hardened targets. Performance figures such as speed, altitude, and exact range remain classified, but what is known paints a picture of an aircraft optimized for reach rather than raw speed. The B-21 flies at high subsonic speeds, prioritizing efficiency, fuel economy, and reduced signatures over supersonic dash capability. Its intercontinental range allows it to strike targets anywhere in the world, especially when combined with aerial refueling. This global reach means the bomber can be launched from secure bases far from conflict zones, reducing vulnerability while maintaining constant pressure on potential adversaries. Another key advantage of the B-21 is how it fits into modern network-centric warfare. The aircraft is not meant to operate alone, but as part of a larger system that includes satellites, drones, fighters, naval assets, and ground forces. It can receive targeting data from remote sensors, share information with other platforms, and adapt its mission in real time. This connectivity transforms the bomber from a simple strike aircraft into a command and control node in the sky, capable of influencing battles far beyond the bombs it carries. Maintenance and long-term cost were also central considerations in the B-21's design. The B-2 Spirit, while revolutionary, is notoriously expensive and time-consuming to maintain due to its complex coatings and aging systems. The Raider uses newer materials and digital engineering techniques that simplify upkeep and allow for predictive maintenance. Engineers can use digital models, often referred to as digital twins, to anticipate wear and address issues before they become serious problems. This approach increases aircraft availability and reduces downtime, making the fleet more reliable and cost-effective over its service life. From a strategic perspective, the B-21 Raider is as much about deterrence as it is about combat. Its mere existence forces potential adversaries to account for an aircraft that can bypass advanced defenses and strike high-value targets with little warning. This uncertainty is a powerful tool in preventing conflict, as it complicates enemy planning and raises the cost of aggression. At the same time, the bomber's conventional strike capabilities ensure it remains relevant even in conflicts that fall short of nuclear escalation. What truly sets the B-21 apart is that it was designed for a future that is still unfolding. As artificial intelligence, electronic warfare, cyber operations, and unmanned systems continue to evolve, the Raider is structured to incorporate these technologies rather than be made obsolete by them. There is even discussion of future versions operating with reduced crew or in coordination with autonomous systems, expanding the bomber's role beyond what traditional aircraft could achieve. In the bigger picture, the 2026 Northrop Grumman B-21 Raider is not just a new airplane, but a new philosophy of military aviation. It combines stealth, range, intelligence, and adaptability into a single platform that can respond to both today's threats and tomorrow's unknowns. For aviation enthusiasts, it represents the cutting edge of design and engineering. For strategists, it is a cornerstone of national defense. And for the broader public, it stands as a reminder that modern warfare is increasingly defined by information, precision, and the ability to operate unseen in the most hostile environments imaginable.